Hello my gentlemen and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of J Vlogs. This video is just a short video of my auntie wedding. She had her wedding back in August and I had some footage, so I put together a vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Welcome over to my side. I hope you enjoy my personality, my crazy self and everything that I bring forward to my vlog, all my content, every single thing. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So welcome, enjoy the wedding. See you guys later. I'm out.
Cause the both of us, we risked it all. We gambled both our hearts on love. So here we are, too mad to stay, too sad to leave.
I know. Hey guys, what's up? It's wedding day. I'm decked out. I don't put on my jacket yet. My auntie getting married today. Yeah. So we're going down to the church. See, I'm decked out in my bow tie and my full suit right there. Turning up the AC on this baby. Turning up the AC so it can go on. So it can go on blue and thing, but yeah. Most of the family members them there already. So we're gonna head down there soon and show you guys my auntie. So that's the beautiful bride there. Hey, catch your dress. Looking fabulous. Yes, so today is her special day. So we're going down to the church and
going back in the room?
Yeah.
everybody decked out looking fabulous. And team makeup turn up, well pretty. Fabulous. Oh, you tear under the arm. Oh yeah. Going to enjoy yourself, my first wedding. So yes. First wedding. So our first wedding. So yeah.
Our first wedding?
No, my first wedding. I'm going to enjoy it, So I hope you guys, my gingerbread and jelly bean, enjoy this vlog, wedding vlog. So yeah. And that's my grandma there. Looking fabulous. So when you get to the church, show the rest of the family, the whole setting and everything. So yeah. Yeah. So we're back. We're going to the church now.
May I step up on my clothes? May I step up on it?
Which part?
No, you're good. Watch your step.
Oh, I had a piece of wire at the back.
Yeah, that's alright.
Joey Robbins. I shall introduce you to Crystal Robbins.
Hey.
Can we give the Lord a hand?
You're doing a good job, man.
Ya me sé,
Mr. MC, what else you have? Who else you going to that? That's it. I think you should say anybody else who wants to join, go to dance floor can go join.
Yeah, man. Put the knife in. And as your first act together, we're going to watch as the Robins work together and the cutting of the cake. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3. Could you give them a great big God bless you? I would like now for you to take a slice, and I would like for you to go ahead and take the first caretaking act. The first act as a caretaker. You see, right now, before, all of this could have been illegal now.
Oh my God.
And sometimes the movies want to make it feel like the married people don't have no fun. But show them how legal people can do it in Jesus' name. Take care. Give them a great No, Mr. Robbins, I would like you to do the first act of caretaking of your new wife. Could you give them a great God bless you? But there's going to be a day when things get rough.